Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing the Friesian Cow Family from Sylvanian Families. This limited edition set includes 4 figures of Sylvanian cows: brother, father, mother and daughter. The box has beautiful golden leaves instead of normal green ones, rare chocolate and cream on the top, and the picture of Sylvanian value on the back. It says as over green mountains tucked away in the depths of a forest. Here we find the most beautiful place in the world, Sylvanian village, with the home of the most tender-hearted friends in the whole world. If you listen to the wind, you'll hear the happy chatter. That sounds amazing, so let's get started. Wow, they are so beautiful. So let's get them out. First is a boy. He's wearing stripy shirt with blue tie and blue jumpsuit. Wow, he has so lovely pastel pink color in the middle of his ears. Oh my god, his tail is so funny. I can't wait for my parents and my sister. And the next is the father. He has yellow horns and wearing red scarf, green jumpsuit and blue t-shirt. It has the cutest tail on the planet. Then we have a mother. She's wearing so pretty yellow dress with blue tie. Next is our daughter. She's wearing checkered orange dress with blue buttons on. The background of our box is also very beautiful. We can see wonderful blue sky with some clouds, green field with some trees, and a lot of wonderful flowers. Let's put our cows back. Hope you liked the video. Support my channel by liking the video and subscribing. And yeah, bye. Have a great day.